Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen where I'm cooking a saag today. This is such a lovely dish and you can cook it with chicken, lamb or paneer. I'm cooking it with tofu and it's a vegan dish and it was requested by you. Let's get it done. This is my tofu saag. It's a super simple recipe which is vegan, dairy free and gluten free. This is a special dish for me because I had my little helper cooking it with me. She didn't only love cooking it, also enjoyed it eating it. Tofu saag is super easy to make and anyone can cook. This is packed with lots of nutrients and lots of flavors. Let me show you how we cooked it. Add ghee in your pan and heat up. Saag tastes best when it's cooked with ghee. It might be a little bit difficult for you to find a vegan ghee, so you can use vegetable oil or a vegan butter. Keep your flame gentle and add dried red chillies. Chili oil will enhance the flavor of a saag. Now add lots of garlic and infuse oil with it. Brown it on a gentle flame. Now put the flame up to medium and add chopped onions. Fry them until they are translucent. Now add chopped ginger and fry it for a couple of minutes. We are not looking to brown the whole masala, we are trying to fry everything until the raw flavors are gone. It's the fried onion, garlic and ginger that lifts the flavor of saag. Now add turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala and chilli powder. And add splash of water to protect your spices from burning. Cook them for 30 seconds and drop chopped tomatoes. Do not add any salt yet. Fry your tomatoes on a medium flame until they are pulpy and have completely disintegrated. Now add diced tofu in your pan and fry it thoroughly for 4 to 5 minutes. This is really important because the tofu doesn't have much flavor of its own. So we are trying to fry it with the masalas to infuse it with all the beautiful flavors. Now tofu is nicely fried and it has absorbed all the beautiful flavors in our pan. Nothing beats a fresh saag leaves, but because of the limited supplies, I'm using a tinned saag, which is already processed and salted. And this is why we did not add any salt. And I'm using a Sona saag by Markfed, and in my opinion this is the best flavored saag. Mix the saag very well and let it bubble away for 5 to 6 minutes. Now you can see the saag has beautifully cooked and it's very well flavored with all the fresh masalas. Now adjust any salt, sprinkle it with some garam masala to lift flavors to a new level, and enjoy your tofu saag. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you loved watching this video and do let me know how you are going to cook your saag. Is it with tofu, chicken, lamb or paneer? If you have any questions, do ask, and until next video, keep cooking.